Hey, I'm Dave.
Hey, I'm Marie.
And you're watching Harpoon Dreams. So all weekend it's been raining. Yesterday the volunteer detail was canceled. So we're just doing work on the boat. So today, let's talk about this. Perfect angle. Today, well, about 6 months ago, I noticed my hand got pinched in this crack here on the other side. And I noticed that this rivet on the other side was dead. And not much was holding this boom end cap to the boom. So, yeah, we're gonna replace at least these two rivets, and maybe this one on the other side over here, okay? So that's what we're doing today. Marie, come on down.
No!
You don't have your safety glasses, so you have to come away. Need to find the right size drill bit. And to do that, I want to get a rivet, a fresh rivet. And we're gonna want a drill bit to match this exact size of this part right here. So this diameter right here. Looks perfect. Looks like the perfect size. So we're gonna go with that. So a lot of times when you drill out a rivet, you just have to All right, I better look at what I'm doing there because I don't want to destroy anything. So far, I've just taken out the rivet head. I have not damaged anything else, but let's take a look at that. Let's see what we got here. This is very strange. I'm not sure why this is like that. I think I need to drill some more here. So right now I'm just taking out the rivet. I'm not liking this. Not feeling good about this. There we go. Yeah, that pushed the rivet in. The remains of the rivet. It's okay if the rivet goes inside the mast. Doesn't really matter. Kind of feel like I should take this all off and look at it. But at the very least, Marie, hey, I need you to help me. Grab that, pull it up. Up. There you go. Thank you very much. Yeah, I'm welcome. Thanks. Very nice. There we go. There we go. That was good. That was helpful. What else have we got here? This is strange. I don't really... Oh, there we go. Now, can I get a rivet in here is the question. This rivet does not go all the way in. It's troubling me. There we go. All right, now it goes all the way in. So I'm going to rivet that with my rivet gun. There we go. All right, that looks good. All right, now to do the other one, I'm gonna have to take the boom off and rotate it. can hear my the rivet I just did. This rivet here does not look or feel as weak as the other ones were. So it looks like we have 3 intact rivets in this end cap, all the rivets that should be there. I'm not going to touch that one. So this job is done, I think.
Bye bye. Thanks for watching Harpoon Dreams.
Go ahead. End cap to the boom. So